Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to use induction. First of all, you have to switch on the switch. Then after that click on off button. I have click. Then after that you click on function button. Then you can increase the temperature in this button. Okay, the total limit is 2200, mean 2200 limit temperature. So this is var, and if you want to set time, so click timer. You want to set 10 minute, 20 minute, same as in this button, 30 minute, 40 minute, 50 minute, as you want. Then after that, if you want to make soup, so you can touch this temperature and fried and BBQ, so that all function is available. This is the best induction and very effective in price. So if